Hello. Welcome to RoboPie. Robotics. Perceptrons. Semantic AI. Conceptual RI.
Okay, this is just a very quick video. I'm not going to teach anything in here. Just going to show you what I've been doing. This is the Code OS. We're not going in there. I'm just going to use this to launch the program. And there's my program. Let's get this back out of the way. Here's the program, the Alysha Dictionary app. It's just a little GUI. And I was just messing around here, column 1, column 2, and column 3. I'm trying to figure out how to make these widgets. But the important thing is this Open Alysha button. If we click on that, we get Alysha. And when Alysha comes up, we can ask her to get the dictionary. If we ask her to get the dictionary, she will say, "I will get you the dictionary." And then she will bring it up and place it on the screen right here.
I will get you the dictionary.
And there it is. And you can actually edit this dictionary right here on the screen, or we can have her add words. I don't have these buttons yet, but can have the add words and the compile dictionary and everything. So you can control her from these apps instead of having to do everything from the command line. So we're coming along. I still have a ways to go. I still have to run this. I still have to get the IDE up to get this running. I tried running it with the desktop icon, but for some reason it doesn't run right. So still some things to iron out. But there we go. It's coming along. Close the dictionary, close Alysha, and we'll close this. That's that.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And if you can help, please support the channel. Thank you.